What is up, you guys? I'm back, and guess what? I'm dyeing my hair. I'm starting off with shrunken, blown out hair, and I am so nervous. I'm using Cream of Nature's Exotic Shine hair color in the color Light Caramel Brown. So this hair color comes with developer, conditioner, some argan oil, instructions, plastic gloves, and last but not least, the actual hair color. Before I even start, I'm going to secure a towel to protect my clothes. I'm opening the color with the back of the cap and squeezing it all into the developer bottle. It's important to shake thoroughly so the color can mix evenly with the developer. Now I'm using my wide tooth comb just to make sure I have no tangles. Of course, I have to do everything in sections. All I'm doing is twisting my hair into 6 sections just to make dyeing it easier. I'm finally done and getting even more nervous by the second. I'm pinning up the first 2 sections so I can start with the back. Another comb out and another shake, and I'm ready to start. Since I'm only dyeing the ends of my hair, I'm creating smaller sections to apply the dye to. You guys, this is the first time in my whole 19 years of living that I've dyed my hair, so this was a really nerve-wracking experience for me. Just watch.
I gotta open the door and turn it off.
So yeah, I forgot to mention that the smell is really strong, so you need to open the door.
especially by myself. For the first time, I thought I would do it professionally, but I don't trust these professional people, if we're being completely honest.
Now that I'm done, all that's left to do is wait. All I'm doing is using the conditioner packet that they gave me to co-wash my hair. My camera doesn't really show the true color, but I love it so much, and I'm gonna insert some pictures at the end. My curl pattern has not been altered in any way, shape, or form, and my hair still feels extremely moisturized. Also, if you haven't noticed, I decided to clip off most of my heat damage in the front. I'm letting the conditioner sit for about 20 minutes, and after I rinse it, I'm going to apply the oil. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.